subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new budget-friendly phone in India called Realme C25Y, and it is an upgrade over the Realme C25 smartphone that was launched in March this year. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C25Y features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T610 chipset, paired with Mali G52 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme C25Y supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Realme R Edition skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 76 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C25Y has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in glacier blue and metal grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C25Y smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.